Hello everyone, welcome to Teaching and Learning Hub. I'm going to deliver lecture on direct and indirect speech. Let me explain it to you with the help of difference. What is direct speech? It quotes the exact words spoken by someone. While repeating the words in writing, we use quotation marks and the words are same uttered by any person. For example, Hina said, I feel little bit confused. Let me explain it to you. When we quote the exact words spoken by someone using quotation marks, that is called direct speech. What is indirect speech? Indirect speech reports the words spoken by someone. In grammar, when you report someone else's statement in your own words without any change in the meaning of the statement, it is called indirect speech. It is known as reported speech. Now, what is indirect speech? When someone has said something, but you have changed the words, but the meaning is same. You have used your own words to convey the same meaning. That is called indirect speech. For example, Hina said that she felt little bit confused. Now you can see in the first example, Hina said, comma is there, and the uttered words or spoken words are written using quotation marks, but in indirect speech there is no quotation mark and we have removed quotation mark and we have added that. Now the terminology used in direct and indirect speech is very important. We use reporting verb and reporting speech. What is reporting verb? The verb of the first part of the sentence before the actual word uttered or spoken. For example, the principal complained, he said, she asked, etc. These are the reporting verbs. Reported speech, the second part of the sentence enclosed in inverted commas. For example, I play outside. That is reported speech. Rules in indirect speech. Number one, there is a removal of inverted commas and change of tense. When we are changing direct into indirect speech, the first rule is we remove inverted commas and there is change of tense. The change of tense is based on few rules. Let me explain it to you. If the direct speech is in simple present tense, for example here, he said, I like swimming. Then it will be changed in reported speech or indirect speech in simple past tense. Simple present tense will change in simple past tense. He said, then we have added that and removed the quotation mark, and we have seen the subject is male here, so we have used that he, and then like the second form of the verb swimming. He said that he liked swimming. So simple present tense will be changed into simple past tense. If the tense is in if the statement is in present continuous tense, he said, I am searching for a book. Present continuous tense direct speech will be changed into past continuous tense. See, she said that she was searching for a book. If it is in present perfect tense, then it would be changed into past perfect tense. Rules. Rule number 2. Use of word that between reporting verb and reported speech. Then there is rule number 3. Change in pronouns. Let's understand how. If I pronoun is used in direct speech, it would be changed into he or she according to the subject. If the subject is male, we will use he. If the subject is female, we will use she. We would be changed into they. You would be changed into he, she, they. My will be changed into his or her. Our will be changed into their. Your will be changed into his, her, and their. Now, if the direct speech has pronoun me, it would be changed into him or her. Us would be changed into them. You would be changed into him, her, or them. Mine would be changed into his or hers. Ours will be changed into theirs. Yours will be changed into his, hers, and theirs. Now, next rule for this is change in place and time. If I have used or someone has used yesterday in direct speech, then in indirect you will change it into the day before. Today would be changed into that day. Tomorrow will be changed into next day. Last week would be changed into the week before. Now will be changed into then or at the moment. Next year would be changed into the following year. Here would be changed into there. This would be changed into that. These would be changed into those. Tonight would be changed into that night. Ago would be changed into previously or before. Days ago would be changed into days before. Now focus. We are focusing on three different tenses here. The first focus or the first tense we are focusing here is simple present tense. You all know the formula, that is subject plus first form of verb plus s or es plus object for singular subject. For example, he writes a letter. For plural, subject plus singular first form of the verb plus object for plural subject. For example, they like to play. That simple present tense direct speech would be changed into simple past tense. And what is simple past tense? We only use second form of the verb with subject and object. For example, there was example, she writes a letter, so it would be changed into, sorry, I write a letter, that would be changed into she wrote a letter. Let me give you more examples. Symes said, we take medicines daily. Now it is in simple present tense. When we are changing it into simple past, we will use Symes said. Then we will remove inverted commas and the comma. We will add that. And we would be changed into they, and the second form of the verb is took. Symes said that they took medicines daily. Rida said, I sing a song. Rida said that she sang a song. Ali said, I go to school. Ali said that he went to school. I hope you have understood that simple present tense would be changed into simple past tense, and subject would be changed according to the subject and with the reported verb. Now, the second focus is on present continuous tense. If the statement is given in present continuous tense in direct speech, that is subject use of is rm according to the subject plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. For example, I am writing a letter. It would be changed into past continuous tense. She said that she was writing a letter. Same continuous tense would be used but with the past form of verb. For example, subject plus was verb plus first form of the verb plus ing plus object. Let me explain it to you with the help of examples. Examples are Shanze said, I am watching TV. Shanze said that she was watching TV. Shanze is a girl, so we have seen the subject here and then we have changed according to that in the direct speech. Her dad said, I am cooking in the kitchen. Her dad is a male, so her dad said that he was cooking in the kitchen. M would be changed into was. Present continuous tense would be changed into past continuous tense. Mother said, I am changing my hair color. Mother said that she was changing hair color, her hair color. Now it is clear that simple present tense would be changed into simple past tense. Present continuous tense would be changed into past continuous tense. Let's move forward. The third tense which we are focusing today is perfect tense. If statement is in present perfect tense in direct speech, for example, with the use of subject has have third form of the verb and object, it would be changed into past perfect tense. That is subject plus had plus third form of the verb plus object. Examples are: she said he has finished his work. She said that he had finished his work. He said he has already left. He said that he had already left. Kamal said he has not seen Mary. Kamal said that he had not seen Mary. I hope these rules, with the help of these rules, direct and indirects are clear to you all. Thank you so much. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. Click on the bell icon for more updates.